I'm going to teach you how to set Facebook Marketplace alerts step by step. If you're someone who loves a great deal and wants to stay ahead of the competition in finding that perfect item on Facebook Marketplace, then setting up alerts is a must. Let's dive right into how you can effortlessly manage this. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to Facebook Marketplace. If you're using a web browser, simply go to the Facebook homepage and click on the Marketplace icon, which usually looks like a little storefront. For those using the mobile app, tap on the Marketplace icon, which you can find at the bottom of your screen. Once you've successfully made your way to the Marketplace, move on to the search bar, usually positioned at the top. Now that you're in the search bar, here's where the real magic begins. Think about the specific item you're interested in. It could be anything from cars to furniture or even something niche like vintage vinyl records. Type this into the search bar. Facebook Marketplace allows you to cast a wide net or narrow down your search with specifics depending on exactly what you're looking for. After entering your desired item, you'll want to refine your search to ensure the results meet your criteria. Here, it's all about setting the right filters. Look for the options that let you specify your preferred price range, set the location, and choose the category of the item you are interested in. These filters are your best friends. They help you tailor your search so you're only getting results that are relevant to your needs. For instance, if you're on a budget, set the maximum price you're willing to pay. Additionally, choose an appropriate location range to find items that are within a reasonable distance, saving you time and effort. Once you've tailored your search, it's time to set up your alerts. Scan the page for the button that says "Notify Me" or something similar. Clicking this button allows you to receive notifications whenever a new listing that matches your search criteria comes up in the future. It's a simple yet powerful tool that keeps you in the loop without having to manually search every time. And there you have it, a straightforward method to set up alerts on Facebook Marketplace. This functionality ensures you're always in the know about new listings without having to constantly check back manually. By taking full advantage of these notifications, you're not only saving time but also increasing your chances of stumbling upon the perfect deal that could slip under the radar otherwise. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Setting alerts is a savvy strategy for any avid marketplace user, and now you're perfectly equipped to stay on top of your game. Happy hunting on Facebook Marketplace.